Hello, lovely children. I am Kritika, your English educator. Today, we'll be doing Unit 1 Fables and Folktales, Grade 6, and Chapter number 3 Rama to the Rescue. We have done the first part of the chapter where we actually did few activities and we studied about the chapter, what happened in this chapter a little bit. Okay. Today, we are going to continue with how cleverly they were able to save themselves from that robber. Okay, so to know what happened in the rest of the story, we're going to go through our remaining comic strip. So let's get into it. So now remember, they thought that robber has entered their house, or we can say the thief actually entered their house. Let's see what happened in the remaining part of the story. What should we do? The wife is asking. I'll tell you, listen. So husband said, I'm going to tell you what we are going to do. Let's see what they did. Meanwhile, matlab, when husband and wife are discussing, they are discussing something what the thief is actually thinking, because thief is already in the house. Voices, they are awake. I will have to wait till they fall asleep. He's saying that, oh my God, they are still talking, which means that they are awake. So he said that I am going to wait till they fall asleep. He said कि अभी भी आवाजें आ रही है, I'm sure वो जागे हुए हैं. So I will wait until they fall asleep. जब तक वो सो नहीं जाते, I will wait. I wonder where they keep their money. Now, this thief is thinking, oh my God, I need to just find out where they keep their money. Right? See, this is the place from where the thief entered in the house. So the noises which couple was hearing was actually he was trying to break the wall. And finally he broke the wall. And that is when the noise actually stopped. So the thief was trying to find out where the couple kept the money. They are saying something. Perhaps they are talking about their money. I would better listen closely. So he said that I think I can hear the husband and wife talking. They're talking about something. I think they are talking about their money. So I'll listen to them carefully so that I can actually find out where they have hidden their money. उन्होंने अपना कहाँ पैसा छुपाया है, तो वो ध्यान से सुन रहा था. Now the husband and wife, they have started having conversation. उन्होंने बातचीत शुरू करी और ये बातचीत ही उनकी चालाकी थी. Let's find out. What should we name our child? Wife is asking the husband, what should we name our child? हम अपने बच्चे का नाम क्या रखें? If he is a boy, we'll call him Rama. He said that if we have a boy, if later हमारा बच्चा एक लड़का होगा, we will name him Rama. Now you remember who Rama was? Rama was the Kotwal of the village, right? The Thanedar, the policeman of the village. Rama? Yes, that is a good name. So wife shouted. She said, oh Rama. Oh, Rama is a very good name. When he is in the house, I'll call out softly to him, Rama, Rama. So wife said that when we'll have a boy, we'll name him Rama. When Rama is inside the house, I'm going to call him Rama, Rama, where are you? Rama, Rama. Okay, so let's see. First, let's just do this true false. The man tells his plan to his wife. The man tells the plans to his wife, true or false? Yes, he said that I'm going to tell you that what we need to plan now. So yes, he told the plan to his wife. The thief wants to know where they kept their jewels. Thief wanted to know where they kept their jewels. Jewels matlab jewelry and all. Okay? So yes, he kept that. I wanted to know that. So these both are true. Let's continue with our story. But what if he is in the yard? Yard matlab the open area outside of the house. Okay? So he said, acha, if he's inside of the house, you're going to say, Rama, Rama. But what if our son is outside in the yard doing something? Then what will you do? Wife said, then I'll call out a little louder. Rama, Rama. She said, so then I'll have to call him loud. And she started shouting, Rama, Rama. Okay. Then I wish they would stop this silly game and talk about their money instead. And now, while they are doing this Rama, Rama, what thief is thinking that, oh my God, they both are playing such a silly game. They need to stop this. Okay, they must stop this silly game, instead talk about their money so that I can find out where their money is. Or fall asleep at least. He said, at least if you're not talking about money, then fall asleep. अरे भाई पैसे की बात नहीं कर रहे हो तो सो ही जाओ. ठीक है, कम से कम वो चोरी तो करे. But my dear, husband said, what if the boy is not in the house or not in the yard but in the street? Ab husband said ki suppose our boy is not in the house, he is not in the yard also, but he is out on the streets. Kahin road pe he is playing. Then how will you call him? Then wife said, oh, then I'll call out very loudly. She said, then I'm going to call him very loudly. Rama, Rama. And she started shouting Rama's name. She started screaming, Rama, Rama. See, she's screaming. Now, this is the Thanedar of the village. This is the Kotwal of the village. He heard somebody calling loudly his name. Rama, Rama. See, this is the house from where he could hear that Rama, Rama sound. Let's see. What do you think will happen next in this story? Can you tell me what will happen in the story? What I think, because I've not read the whole story, according to me, I guess, because he heard his name Rama, Rama, he's going to get inside the house and he'll I think will catch the thief. Let's see. Rama, the village Kotwal, ran to the house from which he heard his name being called. He quickly just ran from where the voice was coming, from where somebody was calling his name. He quickly ran towards his house. Oh, some thief has dug his way into this house. He said that somebody or a thief has entered the house. He dug into a wall, उसने एक wall को खोदा, and he finally entered the house. From the same hole that thief dug, ठीक है, he entered from that hole. At last, they've stopped their chatter. Who said this? The thief said, finally, I think they've fallen asleep and they've stopped their chattering. Now soon they'll fall asleep. They'll go to sleep and when he was saying that, chalo, finally they'll fall asleep, they'll stop chattering and I think they'll fall asleep. Itne mein somebody held his neck. Somebody held his neck. You are under arrest. The Kotwal, he held the neck of the thief. He said that you are under arrest. It's Rama. He heard us. The couple was very happy. The husband was very happy that finally Rama heard us and he came to our house to save us. Wife said, the plan worked. We are saved. So this whole conversation about having a boy and naming him Rama was actually their plan. So they can shout Rama, Rama, and Rama will hear them and come and save them. So that's how their plan actually worked. The man and his wife, by their cleverness, had saved themselves from being robbed. That's how a very quick smartness of the couple actually helped them from being robbed. If अगर वो दिमाग नहीं चलाया होता तो शायद घर में चोरी हो जाती. But they used their clever mind and saved themselves. Nice story. Understood? Let's do some activity. Work in pairs to match the words in the column A with the meanings in column B. So these are some words given to us and their meanings are given to us here. ठीक है, we are going to match them with their meanings. So what is the meaning of wonder? Meaning of wonder is a feeling of surprise. We feel wondered, yani you feel surprised. Yard is actually a place outside of the building. ठीक है, so outside of the building or outside of the house there is always a huge place that is called yard. Shatter matlab when you keep on talking without even thinking that whatever you're talking is important or not important. So this is our answer number 3rd. Instead, in place of someone or something. I said instead of me teaching you today, you teach me. तो यानी मेरी जगह पे आप, ठीक है. So instead मतलब in place of someone or something. Closely यानी बहुत नजदीकी, बहुत करीबी. So और carefully, right? One more word of or one more meaning of closely is carefully. ठीक है. For example, I would say I closely observed the exam question. ठीक है, or the question which came in the exam. Closely observed means carefully observed. ठीक है. Last is perhaps. The meaning of perhaps means maybe. Perhaps they saw मतलब maybe they saw. ठीक है, understood? Now fill in the box with the suitable words you read from the story. We just read a story, so on the basis of that story we're going to fill in few boxes. ठीक है, let's just find out what the box is all about. Main characters. See, the main character in the story was husband and wife. ठीक है. Now setting. What was the setting of the story? Is basically the setting of the story was about a rob. ठीक है, and about the cleverness of the couple. ठीक है. Other characters in the story there were 2 other characters. One was the thanedar Kotwal and the other one was the thief, the robber. Problem was that the couple faced a problem that the thief is going to rob them. ठीक है, and the solution was they used their clever mind. They made a plan. They started calling Rama, and that's how Rama came and saved them. Okay, let's see the answers. Yes, the main character is husband and wife. Setting was a thief tried to rob a couple, but their smartness saved them. ठीक है. Other characters were Rama and the thief. Next problem was thief tried to steal from couple, and the solution was got arrested by the village Kotwal. So this is basically a quick crux of our whole comic strip, right? Okay, moving on. Why did the thief decide to wait initially? Why did the thief thought that I'm going to wait? ठीक है. He was scared of that somebody will catch him? No. He heard voices and realized the couple was awake. Yes, this was the correct answer. He thought that couple is still awake and he was waiting for them to sleep. He thought that couple is still awake. They are having a conversation. So he thought that I'm going to wait for them to fall asleep. Okay, next is what did the thief misunderstand from the couple's conversation? Now, couple was having a conversation, correct? What did the thief think that what are they talking about? They were planning to call for help. They were calling for help, but thief did not think so. Thief was thinking something else. What was that? They were discussing their wealth. No, according to him, though, they were not discussing the wealth also. They were deciding to move to another place. He thought they are trying to move to some other place. No, they were naming their child. When they were having conversation, they were actually calling for help. But the thief thought that they are having a conversation about naming their child Rama. So this is our correct option. ठीक है? Moving on to the next one. What name did the couple decide for their child? Couple decided a name for their child. Or actually, they were not naming the child. They were calling Rama. So what they decide? What they decided? They decided that they'll call their child Rama. So the couple was actually trying to be very, very clever, and they actually were clever. They were able to save themselves. Okay, we'll continue with the question answers in the next video. Till then, bye.